Hello and welcome to the ELC tutorials. Today we are going to teach you how to set up a Turnitin assignment for your course. So what we're going to do is go to your module area, and for me I'm going to scroll down to my module 3 assignment area, and I would like to create a new assignment. And this assignment is a new assignment, and I'm going to call this Turnitin testing and add that item. This item has now been added. It's gray. I'm going to click it in order to open the empty placeholder. And then I'm going to edit this placeholder to start creating the assignment. Here is a box where you might want to add some description on how to turn in. This is where you're going to add the points that the assignment is worth. This is your assignment grouping. I'm going to create a new group and call this Turnitin. So this is kind of like categories for when you're weighting grades. And I'm going to display this as points. So here is the important part, the submission type. I'm going to click here and select External Tool. In this box here, find. And it didn't pop up, but if I scroll down here to quite almost the bottom, there it is. I'm going to click and select Turnitin. And that's all you're going to do to access the tool. Next, the important thing is to set up your due date for your assignment. And this assignment's going to be due on Friday. And by default, it picks 11:59. I'm going to make it available from right now until the due date. And then I am going to go ahead and save and publish this. And you can see it's loading right here. If there were papers submitted, you would see them across here in this area. Notice here, and I'm in Chrome, so you're going to see these settings right here. It may look a little bit different in different browsers like Firefox. I think you have 3 lines you have to click here in order to expand to get to these 2 areas. Anyway, I am going to click settings here, and you're going to see these are the default Turnitin settings that you're probably used to seeing. And it's up these items from the Canvas learning management system where we set up the assignment, so we don't want to change this stuff. You can change the feedback release date. If you click optional settings here, these are settings just in Turnitin. And do you want to allow late submissions? Yes. And then go through and read each and every one of these that's specific to Turnitin, like including a rubric or something, and then submit any of the updates you have done. And to the students, it's going to look like this, and there's their Turnitin testing. Now we can't flip over to the student view and test this out in student view because Turnitin, it's not compatible in student view. For further assistance, contact ELC at 972-881-5870.